Are you having problems with your Instagram Reels being stuck at 0 views? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So if you do have this problem that your Reels is consistently stuck at 0 views, then what we're going to do first is to actually go into our Instagram app and then go into our Reels section in here, because I used to have this exact same problem before. So I'm just going to take one of these Reels right here, and then I'm going to click on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner, and then I'm going to click on manage, as you can see, and then click on edit. So the first thing you need to do is to actually make sure that you actually have some hashtags in here, because if you don't have any hashtags, then that might be the reason why you're not getting the exposure from Instagram. So make sure that you have you can have like 5 to 10 hashtags. I think that is a good range, and make them relevant also, of course, to what your content is. So try to actually post some hashtags in here, and when you're done, just click on done in the top right corner. And if that still does not work for you, you still have 0 views after that, after 1 hour of the reel being uploaded, then you still have 0 views. Well, the thing that you can actually do as well to try to fix this is to go into your profile right here again, and then click on the 3 lines in the top right corner, and then click on settings in here. Perfect. As you can see, we're now taken here. I'm just going to scroll down and then click on help. So click on help and then click on report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem. And now I'm just going to click where it says include and continue, and I'm going to write something like this to Instagram. My Reels is constantly stuck at 0 views. Please fix this issue for me. So you can write something like this. So explain to Instagram that your Reels is constantly stuck at 0 views. Please fix this issue for me, and then click on send in the top right corner. And actually, I've seen that this has actually worked for some people that actually have reported this problem, and then they have waited like 1 to 2 business days and once again try to post Reels. And after that, it should actually hopefully fix this issue. I've seen it, at least for some people, that this has actually fixed it as well. There's actually a third method that you can try as well, and that is to go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play if you have an Samsung, or if you have an Android phone basically, and then search for Instagram and see if there is an update button on the Instagram app. Because if there is an update button, then that means that you don't have the latest Instagram version. So click on update, wait for it to update, and then go back into Instagram and once again try to post that reel again and see if it still has 0 views, or if it actually gets views after that. Hopefully this method will actually solve this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.